Next we are going to start up with the next concept, that is exception. Exception. It is an implicit object of java.lang.exception, which is meant for handling the exceptions occurred within the JSP page. Which is meant for handling the exceptions occurred within the JSP page. This is very important concept and terminology which we need to know properly. So just check out how this works. Here I will be creating one JSP file where I will consider it as er.jsp, and er.jsp, this JSP I am creating just for handling error messages. So here we need to define some information. Is error page, is error page true? @page is error page. Whether this particular JSP page is ready to handle exception or not is what the information we are providing in the starting of the page itself. So by seeing this itself we will get to know, yes, this is ready to handle the exception. And what we will be doing, we will be printing exception just message. We will print this. Okay, now this exception object, if you want to use within your JSP page, in the sense you should make sure that this particular tag is there within your JSP page. What this is called as page directive. What this page directive is giving the information whether this JSP page is ready to handle the exception or not. Yes, this is ready to handle the exception. This is error page. So we are displaying the error message whichever has been occurred over here. And when it comes to this one, here you can check it out. We will write one page directive. Error page er.jsp. Now comma c equal to a by b, and I want to display the result equal to c. Now here what we are doing, we have text fields. From here we are transferring the control, capturing the values, we are performing division and printing the value. While performing division, already we are aware of divided by 0 cannot happen. Now that is an exception, where that particular types of exception, if it occurs, we will be transferring the control to er.jsp. In this page any exception occurs, control need to be transferred to er.jsp. What this er.jsp will do, this is handling your exception and printing the message perfectly. Let me run this and show you the result, how it looks. It is starting up. And 0. Just a second, here you will not get a proper result. I'll open it in a browser. Okay. 10, 2, you'll get 5. Okay. Suppose if I enter 0 divided by 0. This is handling the exception and displays the details completely. The message you are getting is divided by 0 over here. This is what your exception handling in JSP is all about. Just we will use this exception object in one JSP page. This page only, multiple pages. If you need to use it, just this tag. We have this tag. Whichever the JSP page you have this tag. Now in this program, if you got exception, control will be transferred to this. Like this. For each and everything, we'll have same kind of exception handling. Majorly in our JSP pages and the projects. Next, we are going to start up with next concept.